Start with a clean power procedure table frame. Please see the retrofit guide at electrafit.com for full details. Install the base actuator. The actuator is offset to the right side of the table. Install the tilt actuator. Install the leg actuator. The actuator is offset to the right side of the table. Install the back actuator. The actuator is offset to the right side of the table. Set the wiring harness in place around the right side of the base actuator. Plug in the leg, tilt, and back actuators. Grab the control box with hospital-grade plug. Make connections to the control box. The cables are number coded. Plug in the power cable connection to the control box. Plug in the hand control to the digital junction box. Plug in the table and run all actuators for the first time. Watch all the actuators and cables carefully. Secure all the plugs and cables with cable ties. Fasten the wiring harness in 3 locations. 1. The base. 2. The column. 3. under the seat, loosely tied to allow for cable movement. Insert plug locks on the back, tilt, and leg actuators. Trim the cable ties. Install the leg actuator positioner. Install the H-brace with spacers and lock washers. An older style H-brace may require a cutout for base actuator clearance. A cutout template is provided in the kit, or a new H-brace may be purchased from ElectraFit.com. Make sure all clevises are screwed down tightly and all set screws are tight. This is very important. Existing upper rear panel requires a cutout for base actuator clearance. A cutout template is provided in the kit, or you may purchase a new panel from ElectraFit.com. Set digital junction box in place with Velcro strips. Pull a hole in the lower front panel for a half-inch cable bushing. Install the grommet for the control cables from the inside of the front panel. Run the power cord through the base of the table. Install the grounding conductor. Install the power cord grommets. Place the wiring harness cables around the base actuator motor. Set the control box in place with Velcro strips. Secure the cables by the control box. Install the motor cover with washers. Install the upholstery. Install the cover over the back actuator. Apply blue Loctite to the headrest screws. You now have a smooth, quiet, programmable power procedure table. The table is equipped with a programmable hand control and manual foot control for hands-free operation. Please stop by ElectraFit.com to view the retrofit guide for full installation details. See you soon. And thank you for watching.